Hello, this is George F551, and we're going to do a unboxing outside today because where I normally do this stuff, there's customer work there, so you know the proprietary reasons, can't do it. And here's a package I got today. I'm not terribly worried about the address showing up because it's my workplace. I wonder what's inside this box. As if the title up on the top isn't telling you everything already. Sorry about the jitters, like I am doing this on a flimsy table here. So sorry about the jitters. Packing slip. Oh, well, looky what we got here. As I fumble with the contents. It is a Sony HDR-TD20V. To the best of my knowledge, their high-end 3D full-size camcorder. This is going to, in some way, shape, or form, replace the Bloggie 3D, which had cataracts, and as you can see, I removed the plastic film so it can see again. Unfortunately, it might not be enough to save it, so it might wind up being used for storage like one of the flip cameras. Anyway, let's take a look at what's inside. Okay, we got our limited warranty crap. We have the instruction manual, of course. And I'll move this down because some people are coming to eat lunch. And of course we got the do not return to the store crap there. And what do we have here? Let's put that aside for now. Got our HDMI cable. They actually supply one. It has a remote control. It has a USB extender cable. USB? Doing an unboxing video. And here's a mini USB extender cable. Well, this thing comes with a lot. And over here, of course, it comes with a battery. Of course, it comes with a charger. I got plenty of these. I don't really need yet another one, but I got one. And cable to hook up to a normal TV set, which is pointless. But here's the meat and potatoes, kids. And it doesn't want to come out and play. Here it is, the camcorder itself. As you can see, 3D. Alright, let's see what we can find here. Alright, right here is the manual focus. And apparently it's GPS, pardon the shaking, GPS enabled in terms of plopping a location with photos and video, and a port for things like an extra light or what have not. Your zoom control here, photo button there, different mode button here, and right here is your 2D and 3D switch to go between the two. Start and stop record right there. And we open it up. You got a very, very big viewfinder here. I'm betting it's organic LED. I'll take that sticker off. And we got all sorts of buttons here: power, play, light. I can barely see the camera, so I don't know what I'm getting, 2D, 3D. Then all your connections here, headphone, microphone, USB, HDMI, SD slot right there. And on this end, I have a door that slides out for your DC input and for your standard TV hookup. So what I'm going to do, and I know it's going to probably go a little off, in fact I'll just put it down here like so. Let's see if the battery that it comes with actually has any power in it. There we go. And power. Or is this like there are other cameras you gotta hold it in? Nope, it's apparently dead. So I don't have any. Oh, here we go. Here are the lenses, and I'll set it right here because I want to do a comparison with the Bloggie. So you can see they're almost identical. The ones on the camcorder it's just ever so slightly further apart, but just barely. So, and I can't shut the shutter. It's stuck like that. That was smart. So, I'll just put everything like this and do this is everything included. And this is George F551 saying, I hope you enjoyed the unboxing, and of course a review will be to follow. Have a good one.